Oyster Okonomiyaki, known as Kakioko, is a Japanese savory pancake and local delicacy from Okayama prefecture. The soft batter and crisp cabbage complements the plump texture of the oysters, and it's so good. For ingredients and recipe, please visit our website, JapaneseCooking101.com. Let's get started. We are using fresh oysters sold in a jar. Sprinkle salt and katakuriko potato starch over the oysters and gently rub them to clean. Wash them with water and strain. Then pat them dry with paper towels to remove excess moisture and set aside. Next, peel the nagaimo long yam. Adding the grated yam to the batter makes the okonomiyaki light and fluffy. In a large bowl of all-purpose flour, add the grated nagaimo yam, egg, and pour the dashi stock. You can check our dashi recipe or simply use an instant dashi powder and water to make it easy. Whisk together until smooth. Season the batter with salt and soy sauce and mix. And reserve half cup of the batter. Next, thinly slice the cabbage. For Osaka-style okonomiyaki, cabbage is typically chopped finely, but here we are making thin slices like this. This will make the okonomiyaki lighter due to the cabbage's moisture content. Chop green onions finely, and benishoga pickled red ginger too. Green onion and ginger will be used for topping later. Add the tenkasu tempura bits and thinly sliced cabbage to the batter. And mix everything together until well combined. And cook this on a lightly oiled griddle or skillet. Pour into 2 8-inch circles, or you can cook separately in a frying pan. Cook the oysters on the side of the pancakes. Cook until both sides are browned. And place the cooked oysters on top of the pancake. Like that. Then pour the remaining batter we saved earlier before adding the cabbage. When the bottom of the pancake becomes golden brown, in about 7 to 8 minutes, carefully flip the pancake over and cook for another 7 to 8 minutes until the other side is golden brown. Flip the pancake one more time so that the oyster side is facing up. Spread okonomiyaki sauce over the pancake. This is a store-bought okonomiyaki sauce. You can find the link in the description and in the recipe on our website. Top with some chopped green onions and pickled red ginger. If you are familiar with Osaka-style okonomiyaki, you may have noticed that this is quite different. Green onion and ginger are placed as toppings, and there is no bonito flakes or aonori topping. Kakioko is flavored more simply, highlighting the fresh oysters taste in the dish. If you like oysters, you should definitely give this a try.
美味しい。美味しいね。